It's day 3 of the holy month of Ramadan, and I'm standing in the Amira Kadal area of Srinagar, one of the central areas of the city. And as you can see, the roads out here are completely deserted. This after the separatist leadership called for a complete Kashmir Bandh late last evening for today, and the administration has responded by imposing stringent curfew. Now actually, according to the earlier schedule of protest that was given by the separatist leadership, today people had been asked to move around freely and do whatever they want in order to go ahead with this with the festivities of Ramzan. But given the backdrop of yesterday's violence, wherein we saw at least 4 people being killed and more than 40 odd people injured, by late last evening separatists called for a Kashmir Bandh today, and in response to that the administration has imposed curfew quite stringently. As you can see, the movement is completely restricted. The civilians are not allowed to move around. In fact, we've had some trouble in this particular area just a while ago, wherein media people were also restricted, despite the fact that they were carrying valid curfew passes. The curfew passes of a couple of them, in fact, a couple of photojournalists were torn apart. Even the camera chip was taken away by the personnel that are stationed in this particular area. It's just only after a few negotiations that we saw finally the chip being given back to the said photojournalist. So the situation continues to be quite volatile, even as we report from Amira Kadal of Srinagar. Sohail Bukhari with video journalist Ijaz Ahmed for NewsX.